Oh, hello there. This is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I thought I'd start something fun called the SLO Happy Hour since I'm the SLO Happy Realtor and teach you some fun cocktails to make at home during the shelter at home time. You know, there's a lot of great restaurants across the Central Coast that are doing takeout as well as takeout of cocktails and wine. You know, I think that's the first time in California history since Prohibition that you're allowed to do that. So let's support our local restaurants and get all that yummy food and delicious cocktails and wine to go. The cocktail that I'm going to make tonight is my favorite cocktail. It's called the Sazerac. It is the cocktail of New Orleans and one of the oldest known cocktail recipes around. First thing you do with the Sazerac is you take some absinthe, pour a little bit in a glass, and then you're going to line your glass with the absinthe. Oops, doing that so in case I spill it, because I am spilling it. There we go. So swirl it around, and then you dump it. Take your shaker. I have some ice in here. And you can use Rye Whiskey. Pour it in there. And then you add simple syrup. So I made the simple syrup myself, and it's just 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup. I like my Sazerac a little sweet, so put a little extra in there. It's a cup of sugar and a cup of water, and you cook it down till it all dissolves, and you keep in your refrigerator. And then you can put 3 dashes of angostura bitters. And normally it's made with Peychaud Bitters, which is actually Antoine Peychaud is the one who developed the Sazerac recipe. So I have Creole bitters at home right now. I'm out of Peychaud, so please forgive me. 3 dashes of that. And instead of shaking, because you don't want to bruise your rye, I stir it. And then take my fancy ice cube, dump it right in there. And then pour it over your ice. Delicious. And finish it off with either an orange or lemon twist. Cheers. Try this at home. I will post the recipe so you can try it at home as well. And enjoy a Sazerac if you've never had one. Delicious. Local restaurants, when they get back open again that have Sazeracs that I know of, are Sidecar and SLO. There's Eureka and SLO as well. I think Willow and Pismo has it as well. Mason Bar, they'll make one. Usually bartenders that really know how to make a cocktail know exactly what a Sazerac is, so you can test their knowledge that way. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy a Sazerac this week as well. And be safe out there. Keep your social distances, wash your hands, wear your mask, and we will get through this. Thank you for watching. This is Shannon with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team, your SLO County Happy Realtor.